Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of hypothesis testing. One of the most fundamental concepts in statistics, hypothesis testing helps us make decisions based on data. Firstly, let's break down what hypotheses are. In hypothesis testing, we have two types, the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis, often denoted as H0, suggests that there is no effect or difference. It's the statement we're testing against. On the other hand, the alternative hypothesis, H1, proposes that there is an effect or a difference. It's what we might conclude if we find enough evidence against the null hypothesis. Now, how do we decide which hypothesis to support? This is where the concept of p-value comes into play. The p-value helps us determine the strength of our evidence. It's the probability of observing our data, or something more extreme if the null hypothesis were true. A smaller p-value signifies stronger evidence against the null hypothesis. Next, we have significance levels, often denoted by alpha. Common choices for alpha are 0.05 or 0.01. If our p-value is less than alpha, we reject the null hypothesis. It's crucial to choose the significance level before analyzing data to avoid biased interpretations. Once we've set the stage, it's time to choose the appropriate test. For comparing means, we often use t-tests or ANOVA. A t-test is used when comparing the means of two groups. It comes in two types, independent and paired t-tests, depending on whether the data comes from two independent groups or paired observations. When it comes to comparing means across more than two groups, ANOVA, short for analysis of variance, is the way to go. It helps determine if at least one group mean is different. Choosing the right test depends on your data and research question. Choosing the right test depends on your data and research question. Consider factors such as the number of groups, data distribution, and whether observations are independent. In summary, hypothesis testing is a crucial tool in statistics. Understanding null and alternative hypotheses, p-values, significance levels, and choosing the right test sets the foundation for sound data-driven decisions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.